Is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity 20 meter per second and it goes to a height of 18 meters. There it comes to momentary rest. Then what is the energy loss due to air drag? So the velocity of throw is 20 meter per second and the height it reaches is 18 meters. You know that at this point, let's say that this is a reference level. So height is 0, you are giving velocity v, then it has energy in the form of kinetic energy, half m v square. Since height is 0, it has no potential energy, only kinetic energy. Energy at the bottom is half mv square and the mass of the object is 1 kilogram and the total energy at the bottom is half into 1 into velocity square, that is 400 by 2, or you can say that 200 joules. So energy is conserved at every point in space. If you find the energy, the total energy would still be 200 joules. And the condition they have given is at a height of exactly 18 meters, it comes to momentary rest. Momentary rest means velocity is 0, it is at the highest point. So it is at a height h, which is 18 meters. So here at this point, it has only potential energy. Since no other energy is there, because velocity is 0, kinetic energy is 0, the total potential energy must be equal to this 200 joules. But the potential energy is mgh, right? Mass of the object is 1 kilogram. The gravity, according to this problem, we are supposed to take it 10, and the height to which it has come up is 18 meters. Then the total energy works out to be only 180 joules. So at the bottom you are giving 200 joules. When it reaches a height of 18 meters, when its velocity becomes 0, so kinetic energy is also becoming 0. All the energy that it has is only in the form of potential energy, but the potential energy is only 180 joules. So 20 joules of energy is lost. That 20 joules is used up in overcoming the air drag. So air drag is a kind of dissipative force, and that means the energy will be lost in overcoming that air drag. So when you throw an object with a speed of 20 meter per second, the energy given at the bottom is 200 joules. So it has, when it goes up to a height of 18 meters and it loses all the energy, means it has only 180 joules and the remaining 20 joules is lost in overcoming the air drag.